8 years, 1 year na magkasama, and the rest years, magkalayo.
Would you be everything I wanted in a lover and an accomplice? Could you be her?
And here we are. Madaming ups and downs. Pero eto tayo. Pinili at pinipili ang isa't isa.
Together.
Hi love, di ko alam saan ko uumpisahan to. Gusto mo na kitang pasalamatan sa pag-intindi mo sa akin, sa pagtsatsaga, mahabang pasensya, at sa pagmamahal sa araw-araw, kahit pasaway ako minsan.
Vestiges of virtue. Would you feel pity for the masses who are adding and subtracting with scandals that we made together?
Salamat sa pagstay mo sa tabi ko, sa hirap man o sa ginhawa. Pinapangako kong mananatili din ako sa tabi mo lagi.
I wanna see what lovers say to you. I wanna feel what lovers feel with you. I wanna do with you the songs are better than we used to do.
I wanna do what lovers do with you. I wanna walk the edge of the earth with you. I wanna say it to you the minute we feel the heat. Would you be my lover? My lover? My lover? Would you be?
I wanna see what lovers say to you. I wanna feel what lovers feel with you. I wanna do with you the songs are better than we used to.
From this day forward, I give you all that I am and all that I will ever be. I vow to love and cherish you. I promise to support you. I vow to choose you. And I will choose you over and over again.
I wanna see what lovers say to you. I wanna feel what lovers feel with you. I wanna do with you the songs are better than we used to do.
I wanna do what lovers do with you. I wanna walk the edge of the earth with you. I wanna say it to you the minute we feel the heat. Would you be my lover? My lover? My lover? Would you be my lover? My lover?
Love, thank you for your patience. Thank you for loving me regardless of my shortcomings and regardless of when there are times that I am very unlovable. Andyan ka palagi. Thank you.
Mountains towering again in your mind. Aren't there?
Remember, noong ang mga disipulo ni Jesus ay abutin ng malakas na alon sa gitna ng dagat, naroon ang Panginoon at nagsabing, "Don't be afraid. I am here. I am with you."
You're not in this on your own. Oh, darling, I would never let you go. Oh, I'm willing to lose anything if I have you. Darling, no matter what it takes, we'll make it through. No matter what it takes, we'll make it.
I don't have many fancy things to my name. I
Ngayong araw,
never
nandito tayo sa harap ng Panginoon upang maging isa. Pinapangako kong aalagaan o protektahan at mamahalin kita lagi. Hindi man ako perpektong lalaki, madalas may pagtatalo tayo, pero pinapangako kong hindi lilipas ang gabi na may samaan tayo ng loob.
But I never guarantee we'll be fine. Aren't we even one day at a time? Oh Lord, I know everything can change. Let it change.
So yeah, I can't wait to build a home with you, to raise kids with you, and I can't wait to make more memories with you. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Gay, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.